Okay, so first of all, I look bald. My hair is, we're not going to talk about it. And second of all, this background is not the best background I've ever had for a video, but we're just gonna roll with it and do my makeup. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do is use this pencil, and the brand is not on there anymore, but I'll find it in my purchases and I'll put it on the screen on what I'm using. It's just from Target. I'm just gonna brush out my eyebrows and then fill them in, and then after they're filled in, I'm gonna go in with the Jimmy Brow and just seal it all into place. Okay, so the next thing that I am going to do is I am going to do foundation, which I don't do every day. It kind of depends on how clear my skin is, what my plans are for the day, etc. So sometimes I use the MAC Studio Fix foundation, or other times I just go in with the Tarte Shape Tape and cover up any problem areas that I currently have. Now that I have done my foundation, I'm going to follow up with the Tarte Shape Tape just in any areas and underneath my eyes. Now I'm going to be going in with the Tarte Full Coverage Powder. This is the holy grail of powders. I absolutely love this product and I definitely use it every day. Now I'm going to be going in with this Bronze Goddess powder and just doing some light contouring. I do this every day just because I feel like it gives my face a little bit of color. Next, I'm using my Benefit Dandelion Blush. Next, I'm going to be using this Revlon Color Stay lipstick. I just use the tiniest little bits just to put a tiny bit of like natural looking color on my lips, but I definitely don't apply it. I just do little blots all over. And then on top of that, I just use my e.l.f. clear lip gloss and just put this all over my lips. The next thing that I would do that I don't do every single day, I'm trying to do it, I kind of want to work it into my makeup routine because I think it adds a lot to my makeup, is doing a thin line of winged eyeliner. Not do this every day, but I really want to. I'm gonna curl my eyelashes and then add some mascara, and for mascara I am using They're Real by Benefit. I love this mascara. I'm using a little tester bottle, but yeah. Okay, so that is my finished makeup look. And some of this, of course, I do not do every single day. There are days where I don't wear any makeup, especially now that life is not normal. I don't go to school in person, and I don't see a lot of friends because of course we have to social distance. So obviously I don't do all of this makeup every single day, but when I do decide that I'm gonna put on makeup and all of that type of stuff, this is the look I usually head for. It's my go-to makeup look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe down below. We are almost at 400 and I'm so excited. And without further ado, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.